Factor. Mathematics is the study of numbers. Factors of a number is an important topic. The proper knowledge of factors is very important since this concept is used in mathematics quite often. Now see what the factor is. A factor of a number is defined as a number that divides given number completely and does not leave any remainder. It means when we divide a number by its factor, then we get remainder as 0. So let us take an example 18. 2 divides 18 completely and the remainder is 0. Similarly, 3 divides 18 completely and the remainder is 0. So we can say 2 and 3 are factors of 18. Similarly, 6 divides 18 completely. So 6 is also a factor of 18. 5 does not divide 18 completely. When we divide 18 by 5, we get 3 as a remainder. So 5 is not a factor of 18. We can find factor by two methods, division method and multiplication method. Now we see how to find factors of a number. So we can use both division and multiplication method to find the factors. Now first of all, we will see the division method. We have to see how to find factors by division method. There are 3 steps. In first step, you have to find all the numbers less than or equal to the given number. So we have to enlist all the numbers which is less than or equal to the given number. Secondly, we have to divide the given number by each of the numbers which we have enlisted in step 1. And the numbers that give the remainder to be 0 are the factors of the number. Now let us check for some numbers. Now we have to find the positive factors of 6 using division method. So first step is for find all the numbers less than or equal to the given number, that is 6. Here in this case 6. So less than 6 starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers which is equal to 6 or less than 6. So this step we have completed. Find all the numbers less than or equal to the given number 6 because we are finding the factors of 6. Now second is divide the given number 6 by each of the numbers. So we are dividing 6 by 1. So it is 1 6 is 6 minus 0. Second we have to divide, see the remainder is 0. Secondly we have to divide 6 by 2. 2, 3 are 6. So again remainder is 0. Then we have to divide by 3. 3 2 are 6. Again 0. Then divide by 4. 4 1s are 4. Then here it is not 0 but the remainder is 2. Divide by 5. 5 1s are 5. Then minus, again remainder is 1. And lastly divide by 6. 6 1s are 6. Here again the remainder is 0. So we have seen when the divisor is 1, 2, 3 and 6, the remainders are 0. When the divisor is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the divisor, so we have divided. Now the third step is the divisor that give the remainder to be 0 are the factors of the number. So which divisors give remainder 0? So we can see 1 gives 0. When we divide by 2 it gives 0. When we divide by 3, when the 3 is divisor it is 0. When 4 is the, so 3. When 4 is the divisor it is not 0 2. So 4 we will not write. 5 we are not going to write because the remainder is 1. So 6 divisor we are going to write because the remainder is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the numbers, are the divisors which give the remainder as 0. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. So we can write factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now we see how to find factors by multiplication. First of all, we will write the given number as the product of two numbers in different ways, all possible ways, and then we see which numbers are involved in these products. All the numbers which are involved in these products are the factors of the given number. Take number 6. Write 6 as a product of two numbers. So two numbers 1 and 6, their product is 6. 2 and 3, their product is also 6. So we are writing given number 6 as a product of two numbers in different possible ways. Now 3 into 2 is also 6, but here see the numbers are repeated, so we have to stop here. Otherwise, if we carry on, the same numbers will be repeated. Now we have to check which numbers are there in this multiplication, which numbers are involved. Simply we will write the number 1, 2, 3, 2 already written, 3 already written, and 6 are factors of 6. Similarly, take 42, number 42. So 1 into 42 equal 42. 2 into 21 is 42. 3 into 14 is 42. 6 into 7 is 42. Then 7 into 6. See, repeated, so no need to write this. So only we have to check up to here. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Write down the numbers involved in the multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 6. Next number is 7, 14, 21, 42. 21 and 42 are the factors of 42. Now take other number. Suppose 36. Now we will check. 1 into 36 equal 36. 2 into 18 is 36. 3 into 12 is 36. 4 into 9 is 36. 5, no 5, then 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Then if we carry on, the numbers will be repeated. 7, 8, no 9, 9 and 4 repeated. So we have to stop here. So the numbers involved in the multiplication is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. 18 and 36 are factors of 36. So we have seen how to find the factors using multiplication method. We have learned to find all factors of a number. Now write all the factors of given numbers. Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. We see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 12 are exact divisor of 12. They are exact divisor of factors, are exact divisors of a number. Factors of 5. 1 and 5 are factors of 5. Only 2 factors of 5 and they are exact divisor of 5. Factors of 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. There are 4 factors of 6 and all are exact divisors of 6. Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are factors of 18. Factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 30 are factors of 30. Now we can see here 1. 1 is a factor of every number. And factor of 12 is 12, factor of 5 is 5, factor of 6 is 6. So each number is a factor of itself. Factor of 30 is 30. So we can see 1 is a factor of every number and each number is factor of itself. Now see factors of 25, 1, 5 and 25. Only 3 factors of 25. So we can say there are not infinite numbers of factors, there are finite number of factors. Only 3 factors, only 2 factors. See, factors of 17, only 2 factors. Factors of 24, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are factors of 24. The number of factors are finite. So 24 we can check. There are only 8 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. Not more than that. And factor is always less than or equal to the given number. See, factors of 10. Always less than 10 or equal to 10. So we have concluded something. Factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 36 are factors of 36. Limited number, finite number of factors. Factors of 23, 1 and 23 are factors of 23. So we can see every number has at least 2 factors. The number 1 and the number itself. Number 1 and the number itself. So we can see every number has at least 2 factors. Summarize about factors. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, 6 is a factor of 18 and 6 is exact divisor of 18. The number of factors of a number is finite. A factor of a number is always less than or equal to the given number. Every number except 0 and 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and itself. And 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. Now we have learnt about factor of number.